Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel and maybe you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and let's see what we'll be expecting. Now let's take a look at our trend, which is our current trend on GBPUSD. So we would understand what market is doing, and that will enable us to predict what GBP will be doing next. Now take a look at this movement here. This is the first movement, and here is the pullback. Then this is our second movement. Here comes the pullback. So with this movement, this easily tells us that this is an uptrend move, that market is trending to the upside. So basically we all know that we have three movements. It's either we are trending to the upside, we are trending downward, or we are literally ranging. So with this movement here, we are definitely trending to the upside. So this is an uptrend move, right? Now here we had another impulse movement, which is a new higher high. You can see that this high here took out this previous high. Now this high here has taken out this previous high. The market has given us an higher low here. So our next movement, of course, on G should be a movement that will give us a new higher high. So our next movement on G is market should push up because a new higher high. So this is now for swing traders and also for position traders. You can hop in for the buy. So for position traders that would like to their position for the next 2 to 3 months, you can go ahead and take the buy. This is the best time. This is the perfect time to hop in on your buy on G, because with this month, which is December, we will be expecting a position on GBPUSD, and the month of January, we would also be expecting a bullish move, and possibly the month of February, there's possibility to be having that bullish move. So have that in mind. So swing traders also that would like to do their trade for a couple of weeks, you can also hop in for the bullish move as markets will continue to push up. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Now this is it here. So there is a multiple rejection at this level, and this rejection is what we would call as our support level. So markets dropped and we saw it rejected and bounced up. Markets eventually drop again. We had a reaction. Now market has eventually dropped. So we'll be expecting another rejection that will push it up at least to come tap this our resistance level. So with this movement, we should be at least able to grab nothing less than 50 pips for the day. So we should be expecting a push move for the day on our GBP. Now if there will be any changes to this movement, I will make sure I let you guys to know. So follow the Telegram to stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel comment section.